My name is Autumn. Not that I need to introduce you. I am the most famous cow here at Panda. In other words, I can do whatever I want and get away with it because my mummy loves me too much to punish me. I love eating, I love grazing, I love licking salt licks and eating lots of nuts. Any exercise is completely out of the picture for me.
What was I supposed to say again? I can't remember. Oh, my name's Dottie, and I am a great poo. No, I do not mean that. I'm a Great Dane Cross Poodle.
Bonjour, je ne vais pas, je suis sévère. Je suis un peanut. I do not like to go outside. You understand me? I only sleep on human bed. And this is my pepper. Monkeys. He is my giant, fluffy, hot water bottle. That is enough. That's all I have to say. Olive where?
My name's Munchies, and I love to eat cat crunchies. They call me Munchies because I always like to eat food, and I'm always having the munchies. I don't go outside unless I need to pee or poo, and I love to sleep with my friend Peanut.
My name's Sparkles, and I like to go to lots of cow shows when my mama pampers me. She feeds me, she clips me, she washes me, she even wipes my butt, and I have an all day and all night buffet. Then I get to go and win lots of sparkly presents and awards. And the best part is, I get to go home and tell all my friends about it.
Oh dear, I have to work so hard, keeping an eye on these cows, whilst Mama does all the work. It's so hard being a hound dog.
My name is Pippa, and Dottie is my best friend. I'm a lot more intelligent than her, but I don't let her know that. And I like sitting on people's laps. That would be my number one hobby. My name's Pop Idol. I'm just a baby, but I hope to be a big pop star one day. Are you recording? I mean, obviously, I've just won the biggest show possible. Just make sure you get my good side. That's it, Daddy. Show them my rosette. Make sure you smile, Mama. Cheese! Hold on now. If I just crook my neck like this, do you think I look pretty?
Darling, ew. I have to say who I am. I don't need to introduce myself. You should be introducing me. My name's Lord Harold, and I'm the King Kitty of the farm. I take care of any rodent issues. I like to use them as my snacks during the day in between my meat pouches that my mama gets me.
My name's Retta. I don't know why they call me that. I think I'm a bit special. My real name is Destiny, but I'm happy with Retta. I like to buck and run around the pens. Isn't that what cows are meant to do?
My name's Pie, and my mama called me Pie because I love eating lots of haylage. And I love snoozing and milking and eating. But I do put on a bit of timber when it gets towards my holiday, the dry cow period time.
Baby, 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 when you hold me like this. Pew! God damn, you did not know you were recording, man. You should have told me you were recording. My name's Big Mama Mayberry, and I love having babies, in case you did not notice. Everyone has babies on this yard, but I've had the most, and they're all mine.
I'm the Italian stallion, baby. I'm the only gelding on this ranch that knows it like the back of my hoof.
My name's Muggety Tuggety, and that's Monkey for short. I have won the most. I am the champion. I am the best, and I am Mummy's favourite. I even sleep next to Mummy's bedroom, and she feeds me as much as I want to eat. I'm retired now, so I don't have to do anything, unless me and my mummy want to go for a walk. They call us Coloured Rylands, and we are the ultimate teddy bear sheep. We have the fluffiest coat, and the softest temperament. And we love to eat grass all day and all night. There's not much else we do, to be honest with you, other than look at the views on the farm. My name is Domino, but they do call me Pam or Dommy. I don't really respond to any of them anyway, and I will bark at you whether I like you or not. I don't really like going outside, but my daddy, he does drive me everywhere, so I do love him.
I sure hope everybody enjoyed the tour of the farm. But now I'm gonna call it a night. Oh.